This blast from the past is actually 4 videos edited together to be shorter that explains how we use Reflectix to make our life more comfortable when we are out camping. Hope you find some good tips on this video.
Hi everyone, this is Jan. I want to show you what I did with the Reflectix for our big windows here. I was unable to keep it up, so I came up with this idea. I put these suction cups on here, on the back of the Reflectix, and then I had a washer here, so this doesn't come through. This is a eye bolt. So then I put it up at the window. And get it in there as good as I can, and then press down, and this will now stay. This piece here is for our slider window, and when I want air, I can put it up like that, open the window. This piece I've notched out so that I can put it like this when this is open, for privacy's sake, or to keep the cold out. And then when we don't want the air, I fold that down, put it like this, and it's finished. And I have my window covered. It keeps the cold out, keep in the winter time, then the warm in, keeps the warm out, and relatively cooler in. I had a request about where to get the suction cups. I have quite a few suction cups here, and these particular ones right here come with hooks on them for sun catchers, so you can put them on your windows. I take the hooks off, so they end up kind of looking like this. And I have different sizes depending upon the size of my window that I want to put them on. So this one is already finished. It has, I call these eye hooks. I believe the real name here is screw eyes. And here's a package here that I got at a hardware store, but any Home Depot or Lowe's has these. Then I have washers, and I use that so that the eye hooks don't pull through my Reflectix. So what I do is, this particular one, I've used 5 washers on it, and I screw it into the suction cup, but not all the way through, because you don't want it to scratch your window. So this is my Reflectix right here, and it's been cut to the size of the window in the middle, and it keeps falling down. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to unscrew this, and I'm going to keep one of these here, and then there's already the hole here, but you'll get the idea. You would make a hole, put this on, put your suction cup on, and then just screw it in. And there you go. You're all set. I like to have the washers on the inside, because then that gives me a little handle so I can get this on and off the window easier. What you also need to do is when you're taking it off the window, don't pull this out because you could put a hole in your Reflectix. So kind of put your hand underneath it and then kind of relieve the suction and get it off. I want to talk to you about a way of using the Reflectix as a means of doing stealth fanning. What I would do if I was going to stealth fan is I would buy black material big enough for your Reflectix. Then I would put it on the back, use some of this to hold it on. This is tape. Just tape it. This would be the inside part that's in your van. Just tape it on here. So you have the black material put all the way across the back. When you put this up at your window, this will look like a very dark tinted window. Could help you get through on stealth camping.
We're waking up in our van. And I just wanted to show you our Reflectix cocoon in here. We got Reflectix up on all our windows in this part of the van to keep our heat in. And as long as it stays above 40, our body heat will pretty well keep this fan warmer. Now, it's not toasty warm, but it's not freezing. On this part, we hang up our towels to dry if we've had a shower, but we didn't have a shower. But it helps keep the heat in this part. Back here, here's our mattress. This is very heavy flannel sheets. This is a flannel sheet here. There's the man in my bed. Shh, don't tell Bruce. This is the Sherpa blanket. This next one here, can you fold this one up, pull that up please? This is a fuzzy blanket and it's very warm. The blue blanket back there is actually a down throw. And I use that because I get colder than Bruce. And so if I'm cold, I put that on. And then if we would get really cold, that green one is a down alternative. And it gets us down to about 30. Beyond that, yeah, you need a heater in here. But we are not at a park that has electric, or flush toilets, or showers, or water at your lot. So, yeah, we're kind of roughing it, but, you know, it's okay. We can make it.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.